Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now let's continue on remainder theorem. So this theorem is very powerful. This theorem will tell us the remainder of a function without doing any of division technique. Okay, so what does it say? If px is divided by x minus c, then your remainder Rx is equal to pc. So this is the remainder theorem. Let's see example 1 here. X squared plus 4x minus 8 over x minus 2. So from here, this is your polynomial and the denominator here is your divisor. So let's check out what is your c. So let's solve this. X minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Then your c also is equal to 2. And then let's straight away fill in. P2 is equal to, put in at your polynomial here, and then just solve this is equal to 4. So when this is equal to 4, therefore, you can conclude that remainder is equal to 4. So now let's see example 2. We have x power 4 plus 2x squared plus 4 over x plus 3. So this is your polynomial and this is your divisor. So this is very important for us to recognize this is your px over dx. So how to do synthetic division? First of all, let's find our c. So when we find out our c is equal to minus 3, because x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. So after you identify your c, what we will do is straight away we will use pc. So let's fill in what is pc. This is minus 3 to the power of 4 plus 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4. So this is equal to 103. Therefore, you can conclude your remainder is 103. Let's see the last one, example 3. So you have this polynomial here. And now we want to divide it by 2x minus 1. So as usual, let's find out our c. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 over 2. So let's fill in pc, which is p1 over 2. So fill in 1 over 2 at all of the x value. So this is equal to minus 4. So let's straight away accept the answer. This is minus 4. Then you can conclude the remainder is equal to minus 4. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we have go to factor theorem. So this theorem is very powerful because it will tell us what are the factor from our polynomial. So it will confirm whether it is a factor or not. So it said that if pc is equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor of px. Now let's try to see this question here. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. So very simple. First of all, find your c. So your c here is equal to 2. Then what we'll do with this 2 here is to substitute. So we need to fill in pc. If pc is equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor. So let's try. This is f2 because we want to check for this number here. So this is equal to 2x cubed minus 4, 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 2. And this is equal to 0. So we can conclude the answer since f2 equal to 0, therefore x minus 2 is a factor. Now let's see example 2. Given this equation here, px equal to 2x cubed plus ax squared minus x plus b, this polynomial here has x plus 1 as a factor and leaves a remainder 12 when divided by x minus 3. And the question said find the values of a and b. So this question is very good. They are using both factor theorem and also remainder theorem. What is a and b here? This is two unknown, meaning that this is two equations, and later on please check on the simultaneous equation. So the informations that we have is x plus 1 is a factor. So we need to check p minus 1 whether equal to 0. And another fact given is remainder 12 when be divided by x minus 3. So we can take out from here, this is p3 equal to 12. Okay, so the first one we should use factor theorem. Another one, let's use remainder theorem. So let's use a p minus 1 first. So when you fill in the x here, this is equal to 0. Okay, because this is using factor theorem. When pc is equal to 0, therefore x minus c is a factor. Okay, let's see another one here. We have p3 equal to 12. Okay, let's exchange the x here with 3 and then make it equal to 12. So now since you have equation 1 and equation 2, let us use simultaneous equation. So let's take the first equation minus the second equation. So a minus 9a is minus 8a, b minus b is 0, 1 minus minus 39, this is equal to 40. So let's solve. A is equal to 40 divided by minus 8, this is a equal to minus 5. And then let's put this into your first equation. Then let's substitute this a here into your first equation. A plus b equal to 1. Then from here you can solve for b. B is equal to 6. So we have finished finding the values of a and b. However, if you want to write the polynomial again, so just substitute the a in the polynomial is equal to minus 5. The b in polynomial is equal to 6. So this is px equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus x plus 6. So that's the end for factor theorem. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.